Fredeswita Orevido,
Fulgencita Rhea Tenal,
Gemma Bungabo,
Genara Tingama,
Denise Avenido,
Gloria Bordeos,
Godofredo Garces,
Hannah Charlie Baranda,
Hart Mendoza,
Herminia Chavez,
Hershey Gutierrez,
and Imelda Pelaez.
Ayan, so again, congratulations to our newest associates here in IFERN.
Ayan naman. So kung nakita natin at na-witness ang mga nag-rank advance as associates, ayan, susunod naman ang a-awardan natin ng mga builders. Pero ngayon naman, partner, paano nga ba mag-rank advance as builder?
Yes, so like what I've mentioned earlier, kung associate ka, kailangan mo mag-rank advance or kailangan mo i-achieve yung 11th cycle para ma-reach mo ang associate level. Right now naman, pagdating sa team, sa builder, kailangan mo mag-rank advance or magkaroon ng cycle na 21 or 21st para maging builder ka. At ang maganda dyan, ang pairing bonus na natin ay 1-6, 1-6 ng 1-6.
So ayan, salamatan muna natin ang ating mga Presidential Director Eve Tuason and Presidential Director Winnie Halian. Dahil dito naman sa ating builder, let us all welcome our Presidential Directors. Yeah, to help us award our newest builders, we have Presidential Director Jaina Esperanza and Presidential Director Shirley Santos.
Alright, so this is our newest builder here in IFERN, starting with Rufo Israel Jr.,
Shirley S. Pugabo,
Solomon Masangya,
Steven Teocades,
Teresa Rey,
Vaseline Lapitan,
Zoilo Makarai,
Rufo L. Israel Jr.,
Shirley Bungabo,
Solomon Masangya,
Cheryl Guerrero,
Deborah Chancat,
Domingo de la Cruz,
Earl Cyrus Lery,
Efren Jordan,
Elsie Cortina,
Elvi Dolendo,
Evangeline Miguel,
Femi Normata,
Ferdinand Cruz,
Lenit Tolentino,
Florita Maria Benitez,
Lorita Marfe,
Jeline Texon,
Jean Frederick Canzon,
Gina Gamboa,
Hannah Dar,
Hazel Balmido,
Henry Ebon,
and Gilbert Sakla.
Santiago,
Janicel Encino,
Jean Marina Lazar,
Jeneline Fortes Goro,
Joanna Mola Omega,
Jocelyn Puerto,
Jonalyn Liza,
Jonathan Carillo,
Jose Ong,
Josephine Garcia,
Rita Pauline Lictao,
Lance Quito,
Lizelle May Valdelomar,
Lois Georgette Ignacio,
Loribel De Paz,
Lorelie Austria,
Lorenzo Miguel Ilagan,
Loriane Ann Tomaro,
Maria Rosana Subade Junio,
Marcela Carido,
Maria Bautista,
Maria Luisa Gueta,
Maribel Pisa,
Marites Sante,
Marivic Mejo.
and Mark Edward Maglaki.
Congratulations! Our newest builder here in Iford. Ayan, sige po. Picturean niyo po yung mga uplights and downlights po ninyo. Because this is the perfect moment na na-achieve na po nila dito sa Iford ang ating pairing bonus infinitely na 1616 at 16! Alright, so may request po yung ating builder po to stay on stage. But thank you so much, Presidential Directors Haina and Presidential Director Shirley Santos. Ayan. So may we request the builder to stay on the stage and for the associate to stay in front of the stage po. Because we are about to serenade our newest associates and builders here in Iford. And to help us serenade our new awardees, may we call